It's me, Imad, from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn about how to measure the power consumption within any circuit. So the platform we are using for simulation is the multisim. So let's start our simulation. So for it, first of all, we need to take our power source and we will take our DC power source. Okay, now this is our battery. Now we need to take our ground. So here we have our ground. So take it and connect it with the negative terminal of the battery like this. Okay. Then after it we need to go to our indicators and we will take our 12 volt 25 watt lamp. Okay, this is our lamp. So we will connect one end of the lamp with the what's called as the battery and other end with the wattmeters. Current positive end. Okay, current measuring part and positive end, and the negative terminal of the current measuring part of the wattmeter with the ground. So the component will be in series with the load, that is the lamp and battery. So they are all are in one line. So now what about this voltage part, voltage measuring part? We can connect one end with what's called as the one end of this with the lamp, with the first part or with the first point of the lamp, and the negative part with the second point of the lamp. Okay, so now we are supposed to run it because we know that power is the multiplier of both the voltage and current. So we have two parts, but hopefully it will give us the combined power. Okay, now we have run our simulation. Now double click on the wattmeter, and here we can see that we have 25 watt. So you can apply the same procedure for any of the circuit or across any of the component. So thanks for visiting our channel.